Oh, good, it's gone. It's gone. And I thought it was a chick. I bet it was. Look how tall her neck is.
Wow.
Isn't that great?
That is awesome.
Yeah. Well, you can come out and take a picture outside.
I'm filming.
Yeah. Oh, you're doing a video.
Say hello.
Hi. Hi, Sam and Denise. You can take it outside. You know, stop it, and then I'll take it over there, and you can just stand right there by the grill and watch her eat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, come on, let's walk around.
Yeah.
I'll film you.
Yeah, okay. She's very, very friendly. Okay, come on. And if she drops a piece, she'll always come and get down on the deck and have it. There you go. There you go. It's okay. It's John. Okay.
That is too cool.
Yeah.
That is too cool.
And that's the seafood mix that we get at Sam's. It's all frozen. And we thaw it out, you know, under running water. And I chop it up. And it's oysters, mussels, shrimp, squid, I hate squid, and surimi, which is that artificial red stuff.
Right.
I just took a piece of that. Yeah.
That's so neat. When you were telling me about it, I didn't even imagine this. I didn't know they would come up and
Oh, yeah.
not scared.
Oh, yeah. And if we were sitting at the table on the big deck,
Yes.
then she'll come and she'll just stand on the railing and, you know, look for a handout. We don't usually feed her, you know, there. But,
Right.
But we could. And then these are our two little babies. Oh, it's okay. It's all right, Priscilla. See, there's a mama dove. And then the babies this morning, oh my gosh, they were so active. They were playing with each other and, you know, cleaning themselves. And yeah.
I guess it's up there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
We'll
Mama's
see.
there. Mama's on the nest.
Can you see her?
But, oh, yeah. I see Mama. But the babies don't have their heads up right now.
Okay. Oh, yeah, I do see Mama.
Yeah.
Hey, Mama.
Yeah.
Let me see
Yeah.
that.
Oh, there's a baby. I see a baby
Yeah, I see him.
tail.
I
Yeah.
see him. Pretty neat.
Yeah. There's two babies up there. Yeah.
Cool or what?
I
Cool or
know.
what?